Good morning, students. In the last video we are discussing about case 2. Case 2 tells that when denominators of given numbers are unequal, then how can we do it? So in the last video I have explained you by one example, that is 7 by minus 18 plus 8 by 27, and here we get the result as minus 5 by 54. I hope you have understood how to do it. Now we will take another example. Okay, now we will take another example to, in this case only, in case number 2 only, we will take another example. Okay, suppose this problem is also from your exercise only, exercise 1C, exercise 1C, question number 2, Roman 1, page number 10. Okay, you can refer your book. So here the question is, add the following rational numbers 3 by 4 and minus 3 by 5. So here you see we have to add 3 by 4 and minus 3 by 5. So these two are rational numbers. Here in both the rational numbers the denominator is different. Okay, and both the rational numbers have positive denominator. Okay, the only problem is that the only thing that is matter of concern is that that the denominators are different, here 4 and here 5. So how we have to do it? We have to, in such cases we have to see we have to take the LCM. So if we take the LCM 4 comma 5, as I have mentioned you in the earlier example also, that at least we have to take one number, that is by which at least two numbers can be divisible. So if we take 2 by 2, only 4 will be divisible but not 5. Now if we take 3, both will be not divisible. Now if we take 4 only for this 4 will be divisible, not 5. Now if we take 5, then if we take 5, then 4 will be not divisible, only 5 will be divisible. In this way, and if we take 6, 6 will be greater than 4 and 5. Okay, so in such cases where we cannot take any number, so in such cases what we have to do? We have to multiply these two numbers 4 and 5. So what we get here, 4 and 5. Here the LCM of 4 and 5, the LCM, in such case the LCM of 4 and 5 is 4 into 5. Okay, the LCM of 4 and 5 is 4 into 5, and so that is 20. 4 5 is 20, that is the LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. Now we will write this LCM here, and this LCM 20 will be the common denominator of both the rational numbers. So now in the same now it is same, from now onwards it will be the same as the last problem. So now the denominator is what? 4 into which number? 4 into 5 will give me 20. Okay, 20, because as the LCM is 20 and the common denominator will be 20, so we have to find out by what number. If we multiply these 4, we will get 20. So by 5, if we multiply 4, then we will get 20. Now this number 5 we will multiply with the numerator also. So 5 3 is 5 into 3 will give me how much? 15. plus, as we have to do plus. 5 into how much will give me 20? 5 into 4 will give me 20. So here 4 will be multiplied with the numerator. What is the numerator? Minus 3 into how much? 4. Okay. So 3 into 4. So now 5 3 is 15 plus 4 3 is 12 minus 12. 4 into 3 will give me 12, as there is minus. So minus plus will give me minus. And that common denominator is 20. Okay. Now again 15 plus and minus will give me how much? Plus and minus will give me minus. So 12 by 20. So 15 minus 12 is how much? 3 by 20. Okay, 3 by 20. So 3 by 20 is the answer. So the addition of 3 by 4 and minus 3 by 5, the answer is 3 by 20. Okay students, I hope you have understood. Now let us take another example. Suppose this is also from your book and this is from 8, 2, 8. Okay, question number 2, 8, page number 10. 2, we have to add 2 and minus 5 by 4. So 2 is also a rational number. 2 is also a rational number, and fractions, that all natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and fractions together gives you rational numbers. Okay, so 2 is also a rational number. Now we have to add 2 plus minus 5 by 4. See here, there is no denominator. In case of 2, there is no denominator. So in such cases, what you have to, actually there is no denominator, but if you think that 2 by 1 is always 2. 2 by 1 is always 2. So 2 we can write 2 by 1. Okay. Or yes, 2 is equal to 2 by 1. So in place of 2, we'll write 2 by 1. 2 by 1 plus, because why 2 by 1? Because if we divide 2 by 1, then what will give me? 1 2 is 2. Okay, so the answer is also 2. So that is why 2 by 1 is always equal to 2. So in place of 2, so if we write this rational number or natural number in fraction, if we have to write this rational number 2 in fraction, then we have to write as 2 by 1 plus minus 5 by 4. So in this case, what happened here? Plus into minus will give me, as the numerator is minus, so plus into minus is always minus. 2 by 1 minus 5 by 4. So here here also it is the same as in the earlier problem, that the denominator is 1 and here the denominator is 4. Now if we take the LCM of 1 and 4, okay, no number is there that can divide both 1 and 4. So what is the LCM of 1 and 4? It is 1 into 4, that is 4. So here the common denominator will be 4. As the LCM is 4, therefore the common denominator will be 4. So 1 into how much is 4? 1 into how much is 4? 1 into 4 is 4. Okay, so we have to multiply. So we have to, so 1 into 4 is 4. This one is the denominator 1. This one is the denominator 1. Okay, and here 4 is the LCM. This 4 LCM is here. So this 4 LCM is this one. So 1 into 4 is 4. So here we have to multiply the numerator. The numerator is 2. 2 we have to multiply with this number. This number is 4. 2 into 4 minus 4 into how much is 4? 4 into 1 is equal to 4. So now we have to take this one, and this one we will multiply with the numerator. The numerator is 5. So 5 into 1. Okay, so now 4 2 ja 8 minus 5 1 ja 5, 4. So the answer is 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 by 4. Okay, friends, students, have you understood? In this way you try at home. The remaining questions of the exercise you do on your own. Okay, thank you very much.